Hello everyone, welcome back again to the NX training. So in this session I want to explain just only build a simple basic assembly. So after you're creating a parts, the other thing you should do after that is to create assembly. Okay, I go open. So this is their new, you click new assembly. Okay, and you click OK. By default, the NX will start with this window, add a component, but also you can access the component in here, add component. Okay, I will open. Files, build simple assembly. This one. Can click OK. For the first part, it will be better you use absolute origin, because when you using by constraint, you don't have any other geometry that you can use for the constraint creation. So it means you have to use absolute origin, and then this is also model or entire part. You should not use empty, because empty it will appear none of the geometry will appear. Okay, click OK. Yeah. Now this is as the base part, so you go to assembly to constraint to fix this one. Create fix. So it means that you cannot move this, and this as the base reference for all other parts. I will click now to add new part. Door side, click OK. Go to by a constraint, and you click OK. Now in here you can see that there are two objects appear. Actually this is this one. Now you can see in here PV window and then PV component in main window. So if you feel confused why is it's already appear but you not yet create constraint, you can deselect this one. So when you click, after you click OK, and then it will appear. So it just only makes you not feel confused. You can uncheck this one. Go to touch info center axis, click the axis, and then the second click the axis, click also the axis. Okay, apply, and the second go to touch. The surface should touch the inside of the surface. Okay, and then click OK. As you can see, there are some kind of red in here. It means there are two a conflict in here, so I should delete one of them. Okay, why? Because align this one, so it means that the touching one should be this surface with this surface. You see no red color in the constraint. So if you found red, it means there are some conflict from one constraint to another. And then you go back to assembly constraint, and here maybe you can use this also for center axis. So the center here will be center here also. Now this still can be moved. For example, if I click move object, I using a dynamic positioning, I go into this, still can be moved. Okay, now to lock this position, I go again into assembly constraint. I choose angle using 3D angle option, click the surface and click the surface. The angle is 8 degrees if I rotate, you can see in here, for example, if I want to lock in 20 degrees, something like this, or maybe 0, you can click this one. So this constraint is complete. If you want to see the information of this assembly, okay, you can see there are hinge pillar, door side, but I think it's not yet complete because I should add more for the pin in here. Click add. The pin one, I should add inside this the pin as a shaft. Click by constraint, and then I using this one again, inverse center axis. Click this one, so click, and touching, go to this surface, check this surface, and you get this. Now this is the complete one. Here all the status about the constraint. You can see in the constraint navigator, this is the part in assembly navigator. To hide the constraint in your window, you can go to view, show and hide, assembly constraint, disable it, and maybe you can want to hide this. You can just only push the Y button on your keyboard. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.